Trading earnings can be a very detrimental thing, and this is why. This is LYFT. Today, the stock price is down 33%. And look at what they reported, top and bottom line. They had a surprise earnings of plus 195.5%, and they surprised on revenue by beating by 3.14%, and the stock dropped 33%. This is why you don't trade earnings. But how do you do it? This is what you do. You follow this thing over the next few days. And what we're going to do is just track this, because now there's a massive gap that has to be filled. Gaps often fill. Gaps always fill. I don't know when they fill, but they will fill. This stock has just been beaten down, gone sideways for a very long time on its stochastic as the trend has gone down. We finally have this big break. Now it's going to get attractive to a lot of traders, investors, and quant funds. So what I'm going to do, I call this a dog stock. I'm going to look for something. I'm going to buy a tracker share. I'm going to take $20.50 and buy one share, and I'm just going to let it go. Worst case scenario, LYFT goes out of business, they never exist again, and I lose $20.50. Best case scenario, this trend line turns up long term, pops into the sweet spot. I figure it out around $25, and I just keep climbing with the stock price before anybody else gets involved with the stock. The next thing I'm going to do, just to make sure, is I'm going to check out the volume. Look at the volume today. You had a massive, massive volume bar. The average volume on LYFT is 9.5 million shares traded per day. Today, we have 76 million shares traded. So instead of me jumping on it today and saying, okay, this is really exciting, they're down 33%, I can go grab shares, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait for tomorrow. I'm going to see what happens. Maybe the stock price goes down even more. Maybe it pops up a little bit. It's more likely than not just going to jump up here and gap up. So I'm going to wait for the volume to settle down. Become more consistent. Become more consistent with this 9.5 million shares traded per day. Then I will make my decision if I'm going to go long or short.